Hi Anuradha,
Hi,
please have
sir.
your chair.
Thank you, sir.
How are you doing today?
Good, sir.
So Anuradha, can you tell me about yourself?
First of all, thank you for introducing myself, sir. My name is Anuradha. I'm pursuing my degree. I did my intermediate in Sri Vivekananda Junior College, and I did my 10th standard in ZPHS High School. Coming to my family background,
Mhm.
including me, we are 4 members. My parents are farmers, and my hobbies are listening music and playing chess.
Okay. So why you choose this workshop?
Because I, I chose this workshop, sir, because I learned many things. I am interested in IT
Anuradha,
sector,
don't
sir.
be nervous, don't be tensed. It's just a oral discussion. Nothing we're gonna judge you, nothing we're gonna marks given based on this. Okay? It's just a casual discussion. Okay? Don't feel any nervous. Please go ahead.
I am interested in IT sector, sir. So I
So
choose.
what makes you to choose IT sector? What's the interest? So
Um,
why, on which basis you got the interest? Okay, for this reason I'm getting into IT sector.
I want to know applications how the
Mm-hmm.
work will be done.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay. So how you feel after this workshop?
I feel great, sir, because I gain knowledge
Mm-hmm.
in IT sector
Mm-hmm.
within 3 days.
Mm-hmm.
How the application will works
Mm-hmm.
and what types of roles are there.
Mm-hmm.
I know about this some
Mm-hmm.
knowledge, sir.
Okay. So what is the definition of STLC and SDLC?
The definition of SDLC, sir.
Mm-hmm.
SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle, sir.
Okay.
And STLC means Software Testing and Life Cycle, sir.
Okay. So how many phases of designings are available in SDLC?
In SDLC, there are two, in designing, sir, there are two types of designings, high level and low level line.
Okay. So what is an agile workflow?
Agile workflow, we can modify the applications.
No, agile workflow means, so you have said that SDLC, development life
Yes,
cycle.
sir.
This is also one of the development life
Yes, sir.
cycle. Okay. In the agile, we used to break the main functionality into piece subsets. Okay. One by one, we used to define as a epic, and then we used to develop the user stories. Okay.
Yes,
You got it?
yes, sir.
Okay. So which one you prefer, SDLC or agile?
Agile, sir.
Why?
Because we are adding the, for sometimes client will refer that uh, I need this some
Change.
changes,
Mhm.
then we can add the in Agile.
Okay. So what is the role of a Scrum Master?
Scrum Master will arrange the told the BA and arrange the meeting, sir, and he will arrange assets, signs the works for everyone, sir.
Yes. In the Scrum team.
Yes, sir.
The team will named as a Scrum team. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So excuse me. Do you know about database?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me what is a database?
Database means to store the data and information, sir.
Okay. So what is the definition abbreviation of a GUI?
GUI means graphical user interface, sir.
Okay. So how many types of environments are there?
There are 5 types of environments, sir.
What are those?
Local
Mhm.
environment, developer environment, QA environment. QA means quality analyst, sir, and staging environment and production environment.
Okay. So who will do the unit testing?
Unit testing will do by the developers, sir.
Mhm.
They're checking the piece of code, sir.
Very good. So what is the difference between web application and desktop application?
Difference between web applications and Windows
Yeah,
applications, sir.
whatever, desktop.
Um, Windows application we use in on desktops,
Mhm.
and web applications we use in laptops.
No. Web application means we'll use it in open it in a browser, Chrome browser,
Okay.
Internet, IE,
Yes, sir.
Edge, Firefox, Safari. Those are all browsers, right?
Yes, sir.
So in that there is a capability to open that applications.
Yes.
Okay, you got the difference now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure. So what is the full form of RCA?
RCA means root root cause analysis, sir.
Okay. So have you ever, okay, let's go out of the box. What are your hobbies, Anuradha?
My hobbies are listening music and playing chess, sir.
Okay, so chess.
Yes, sir.
So how can you rate yourself? Are you an expert or a learner?
Through the game, sir.
Okay. So have you ever uh, purchased anything in Myntra
No, sir.
or Amazon?
No, sir.
Have you ever worked on an e-commerce? That
No,
means
sir.
Flipkart,
Meesho.
Meesho.
Yes, sir.
So what you purchase? Any
Any
clothes,
dress, sir.
accessories? Okay. So while purchasing in the Meesho,
Yes.
can you explain what is the process of purchasing an item?
Yes, sir. For purchasing an item, sir, we search in web page, sir,
Mhm.
and we select that needed dress, sir,
Mhm.
and how the what is the payment mode, sir,
Mhm.
and payment successful. Then
Okay.
order the dress, addressing. We kept the addressing, and
Okay.
it will track, sir, and OTP will send it
Okay.
and deliver the dress.
So while placing the order, have you ever faced any problem? In this place, there can be some better improvement.
No, sir.
No? Okay. Uh, I think I'm done, Anuradha. Do you have any questions for me?
No, sir.
So you don't have any questions for me? You are all set?
Sir.
You are good to go. Okay?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. I think you can leave.
Thank
Have
you,
a
sir.
good day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.